Hello everyone, welcome again to a new vlog. So to those who are new to my channel, my name is Fatima and welcome to Fat's Vlog Official. And into this video or into this vlog, I will do unboxing to this product here that I received. And this product came from Organics Nature. Organics Nature, guys, they are the company that mainly provides CMOS product. So what is CMOS anyways? So CMOS is known as the miracle of the sea. So this is due to the fact that it contains 92 essential minerals that our bodies need. Imagine 92 essential minerals. It's in the CMOS products. So with its high mineral content, CMOS can promote healthy skin, making it great for beauty and hair care. It can also help a person improve a number of their daily activities by detoxing the body and supporting a healthy immune system. So by the way guys, Organics Nature, they have a lot of products to choose from. But for me, I choose this one. I choose their collagen peptides plus iris CMOS. So why I choose the collagen peptides plus iris CMOS is because I love collagen. I've been taking collagen for almost 4 years now since I came here in the US, and it really boosts my skin, my hair, my nails. My nails is it really helps me, guys, the collagen. So this collagen, I want to try it since it has iris CMOS, and CMOS is a miracle in the sea. So I want to try it. I want to try this. Before anything else, when I do try a product, one factor that I will look is the ingredients. So let's look the ingredients for this collagen peptides plus iris CMOS from Organics Nature. So the ingredients: organic iris moss powder, and then multi-collagen matrix 1, 2, and 3. So hydrolyzed bovine collagen peptides. Then type 2 is chicken collagen peptides. And this is grass-fed, pasture raised, zero sugar. The collagen fortified bones, joints, and muscles, rejuvenated vitality of the source with improved bone density, reduced joint and bone pain, and a stronger body. So it also improved gut health. The combined effects of collagen and iris CMOS can improve gut health, reduce inflammation, and prevent or improve common conditions such as IBS, ulcers, and leaky gut. So it also serves as natural anti-inflammatory, heal or prevent inflammation associated with pain and illness, and thyroid health support. So promotes healthy thyroid function. CMOS is dense in iodine, which is the main mineral that helps with proper thyroid function. Then natural anti-aging effects. Look and feel younger. And health benefits that peel back the years and be full of energy. And also natural weight loss support. Why it is weight loss support. It's because it makes strides in your weight loss journey with a healthier appetite and less cravings. So let's see if this will knock my appetite. So this one is how many ounces? So net weight 13.20 ounces, and it is 30 servings. So 30 servings per one container. And for me, I will do every day. I use it with my coffee. So I didn't use it with anything else. It's only my coffee. So you can mix it with your milk for the taste of our vanilla caramel. Baked goodies. Yeah, you can also put this in your baked goodies. Morning coffee. Yes, I use it for my morning coffee. Your favorite smoothie? I tried it before with my other collagen. I don't like it, honestly, so I stick to my coffee, collagen with coffee. So I'm gonna try it with my coffee. And your favorite tea? I didn't try that. I might try that. My tea, I will put the collagen. I will try that. And also your favorite yogurt. Yes, you can also put this with your favorite yogurt. Yeah, I didn't try that either. I only tried the smoothie and the coffee, and I stick to the coffee with collagen plus collagen. So I might try this tea with collagen and also yogurt with collagen. I'm gonna try that, and I will tell you guys what's the taste. I will update you guys the result if I like it or not. This Organics Nature world's first collagen peptides plus iris CMOS. So I've been using this collagen for over a week now, and I say I like it because it's different taste from my old collagen powder. So this one I will show you how I'm gonna use it. I preferably use it with my coffee. So let's make a coffee with this one. So I'm gonna put first this powder, so only 1 scoop. 1 scoop. And I really like because the container is not that big, but it's full. My other collagen powder, it was big container, but it's only half. So this one is full. Then I have here my pure coffee, just coffee. Let's and here is my coffee. And it says here also that this is good for weight loss, since it will knock your appetite, your cravings. So I would say when I go to work, I usually drink my coffee in the morning, and I only eat my lunch like about 12. So that's lunch and breakfast, and between that I'm not that hungry. So I guess yes. And here's the coffee. Thank you for watching, guys, and grab yours now. So bye.